Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We've got a great new product for the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or X. This is a baby car seat protection pad. Now, it's a baby, it's an infant, it's a toddler, or even an adult, or even a pet. So let's take a look at what you get. This is a great piece. We've had it custom made for us, and this is all made out of, we've got anti-slip, we'll start on the back side, anti-slip foam, polyester. We've got a soft rubbery pad, which makes it completely waterproof on the bottom. And on the top side, it's all in washable, cool polyester with built-in anti-slip areas here for car seats. So this is really designed to keep your seats from getting protected and to fit any size car seat. So we're going to show you how it installs, which is really easy. It has an extra pockets in the front, so you can put storable things in here, baby bottles, anything for the kids, because it's going to hang below by their feet. And it has the tongue on this side, which is going to go through. It's really thick and help latch in the back seat. It won't interfere with built-in tethers. And let's just take a look right here. So let's hop inside this X. Now we've got it installed on that seat over there on the right. It's already installed. You can see how you have skirt protection on the sides. You can see how you have the pockets in the front. And here's how simple it is to install. You're going to see that the anti-slip rubbery pad is on the bottom, and the waterproof side is here. And then these flaps just hang over the side. This is the front. This is the other side. So this works on any bench seat. You could put 3 of them across the back of a vehicle that has a full bench seat. This is a nice protection here for the bolsters in the back of the seat. Stops the car seat from digging into it, scratching the vinyl or leather if you have an older car. And this is the tongue. So again, this goes upright and the tongue goes right through. So this would go right through and all the way under. If you have a bench seat in a Model S, you can simply pull it in the back and pull it nice and tight. It's very similar to our pet protection products we make for the back seat. But notice the location of the vinyl here. So we have the polyester, and then this is the vinyl. So this is grip. This is so the car seat's going to dig into it and lock down and not slip. So it's a real nice design. We know it'll provide you with a lot of protection. We also sell the adult seat protectors in the faux sheepskin in black and white. But these are really nice because you can protect white seats, black seats, anything. You can wash it, and comes out really easy, installs even easier. So now we're going to swing on the other side and show you some close-ups on the actual installed car seat on top. Okay, here you can see the front. We've got the 2 pockets. We've got like some wipes in here. And this is a real nice side skirt protection. It really covers everything. You're not going to get things dripping down all over the seat controls. And again, the back goes right behind the seat belts. So it really protects it from getting gouged into. And, the seat takes a lot of stress and pressure. So this will really protect your seats for a long time. Thanks again for watching. And these are in stock, and they're very, very reasonably priced. Thank you.